Hey there YouTube. I just wanted to give you guys an update video on my deck. I know before I did a video about the Cabot Gold Moonlight Mahogany deck stain. It's evening time here, well, getting close to evening time, and just wanted to give you guys a little update. I did re-stain the deck this year. I'll try to see if I can find a picture of what it looked like, because a lot of people have been asking me, you know, how long did the deck stain last before I had to redo it. So since the last video, it lasted this long. It was fading, and I wouldn't say it looked awful, but you could tell it wasn't nice and new. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty because I've been grilling and stuff out here. But I did not completely strip it. What I did was I used Cabot deck cleaner, and I sprayed that stuff on, and I lightly pressure washed just to get any mildew, or, you know, like there was some green areas. I believe it was mildew, but just get any mildew and things off, dirt, you know, just kind of prep it up real good. And all I did, guys, to bring it back to this, which is, you know, it basically looks like it did the first time I did it, I did one coat and that was it. So hopefully this is gonna last me, I think it's been like 3 years. Hopefully this lasts another 3, and if not, then it seems fairly easy to maintain. I mean, like I said, just get some Cabot deck cleaner and spray it on, give it a light wash, let it dry out real good. You know, I let it dry overnight, and then you know, hit it with one coat, and that was about all it took. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed this update video, and I hope this answers any questions you have about using Cabot Gold. I think it's a wonderful product. I think it's done a great job on my deck, and I'm happy that I used it.